If you have ever considered getting a master's degree, now may be absolutely the right time for you. Here at UCCS in the Communication Department, we have an amazingly wonderful graduate program in communication. I'm Sherry Morielli, Director of Graduate Studies in Communication here at UCCS. The things that make our program unique actually are two. The first thing is that we have a highly individualized program of study for those looking to get a master's degree. And then the second thing is that we have an amazing group of faculty, excellent in research and excellent in teaching, who are prepared to walk you through our program. I'd like to describe those two things to you today. First of all, the individualized program of study. What that means for us is that everybody takes four foundation courses, four courses. Intro to Grad Study in Communication and Theory, a Graduate Research Methods class, and then a quantitative class and a qualitative class. At that point, you are prepared to actually decide what you would like to get out of our program. You personalize your program by selecting among an array of electives. You determine what is your goal, where do you want to go with this degree, and we guide you through, but you choose how to accomplish that using the electives and one course outside the department. Thereby, you do what you want to do, what works for you. In addition to that program, we have an amazing faculty. They are familiar with both the breadth and the depth of communication studies. With regard to their content areas, communication studies looks at human communication and media studies. And together in this program, we cover both. And we have faculty who are expert in both areas. In addition, methodologically, research is important when you study communication. And we have people who are experts in quantitative studies, qualitative studies, and often not represented, textual and critical analysis. So therefore, you can also focus your work in our program according to the method that seems to match what you want to accomplish. So indeed, highly individualized, great faculty, pedagogically and in terms of research teaching. Moreover, I think of ourselves as a community. The graduate students have their own student activities committee, and they schedule social events for themselves. Sometimes they invite us, and that goes on throughout the entire year. So if you are interested, if you have an interest in an MA, please know that we do what is called rolling enrollment, which means we review your application anytime that you submit it, and you can start your studies the next semester. We do require a fairly high GPA and also GRE scores. But if you meet those criteria, then we will welcome you with great enthusiasm to the Communication MA degree here in the Communication Department at UCCS.